is a special marine warning from the National Weather Service. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a special marine warning for nearshore waters from Winthrop Harbor to Northerly Island, open waters from Winthrop Harbor to Michigan City out to mid-lake until 1:30 p.m. At 12:25 p.m., strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Wilmette Harbor to near Montrose Harbor, moving northeast at 30 knots. Hazard, wind gusts to 40 knots. Source, buoy. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Montrose Harbor, Wilmette Harbor, Belmont Harbor, and Iversea Harbor. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes.